So I've just spent the night here. Today's the 10th of May 2025 and this is Sięganów East Sud motorway stop, which is to the west of Łask and to the east of Zduńska Wola. So I spent the night here. I initially stopped in another such place and I decided I didn't want it. I wanted to go to a more quiet place because there was a refrigerated lorry there. And so I came here. Now the other place was around 5 kilometers or so, maybe 8 kilometers to the west of here. So I continued traveling east. Now, question out. Yesterday I was in Sieradz and there was there a very nice looking stellplatz. It costs 80 złotych according to the sign, although on Park for Night where people said they paid 20 euros or even more, and but according to the sign it was 80 złotych, which is about 18 euros or thereabout, maybe even a bit less now, 17. And the reason I didn't stop there, despite the location, was the fact that in the car park next to it there were traces of tyre marks. The people going around racing, and as yesterday was a Friday, they do this sort of handbrake turns and things of this nature. I decided that there was going to be a racket on a Friday night, as I've had previous experience, not there but in other places. So I came here. I came to the motorway for a spot of peace and quiet. Here's the motorway. This is the Polish S8. So this, from Wrocław, and then goes to Warsaw. Great, it's a new motorway. Well, new, it's about 15 years old now. And down there, we can see how it works out here. So on that side, on the western side, or if you like northern side, the westward travellers, you've got a fuel station and you've got a McDonald's. Now if you go to the next one, it's on the other side of the road and you've got a bridge to go across from one side to the other. And one thing about the motorway stops on Poland is they are the best I have seen anywhere. Okay, there's some really nice ones in the United States as well, but I think that's largely due to the scenery around them. Traveling through Arizona, California, for example, Nevada, but here everything's new. It's really clean. So you've got this big drainage ditch here, which is a big problem here. The way of keeping the water, get rid of the water. I used to own a business magazine. We had an article about it, although I put the thing together. I've largely forgotten it now, how it's done. So, now last year, I think I filmed the stop before this, or the weather was considerably better then. Look at this. Now 10th of May, it's raining. But all the same, I had a very peaceful night here. And it's rare you have a situation to choose the motorway over the over a stellplatz by the river. Another problem at stellplatz was the reception to pay didn't open until 10 o'clock. And I didn't really want to hang around until 10 o'clock in order to pay. So that was another downside of that place. Obviously I could have left without paying, but you can't do that, it's wrong. So mind you, it's up to them to make it easy to pay as well, I think. So there's the lorries. I mean, it doesn't look so good on a day like today, but the stops here on the motorway in Poland really are good. They've got play areas. Here at the back there's a big forested area. The other place there was this really large park as well. It was really very, very good. So it sort of really is designed sort of as recreation when you stop. Something I find very appealing. Right, so now I'm gonna get back into my motorhome and I'm going to drive to Łódź. And I'll be spending, don't know, a little bit of time there. So, thanks for watching.